Yeah, don't throw away that mixer because you probably just need to replace this gear. Then turn it on and you can hear the motor going, but it seems to be that the gear is like stripped. Just like brand new again. So I got this KitchenAid artesian mixer and I just picked this up for 40 bucks. It's like a $500 mixer, and this is just a little, it's just like, I don't know, some glue or something, but it's basically brand new. But the only thing is I turn it on and you can hear the motor going, but it seems to be that the gear is like stripped. So I'm gonna attempt to fix this and then I could resell it. I only paid 40 bucks for it, so let's get to fixing this thing. I'm pretty sure it only needs it has a stripped gear inside of here. And it's an artesian KitchenAid mixer. Yeah, let's get this thing fixed. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is, you got two Phillips screwdriver screws in there. I'm gonna unplug it, and we got two up here. Take this one from the top. This is just gonna pull up and come off. And then we have two here to take off this band. So take that off and you can see this thing's basically brand new. Usually there's all like gunk and stuff, but that's just like factory oil in there. Okay, so now you're gonna want to take this bolt off to give some more room. And I gotta take off this band around there. So I am going to pry it open with a small screwdriver, hopefully. Okay, got that off. And now we want to get this pin, that pin out of there. So I'm going to take the small screwdriver, or a punch if you have one. Maybe I'll get started with this one. We use a small Allen key because I don't have a punch to go all the way through. Okay, got that out. So now I'm gonna take this off, and I will use a screwdriver and kind of press that down. Okay, I got that off. This gear looks good, everything looks good. Okay, so next step, we're gonna want to take these out. And there's 5 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And those are also a square bit. So next we're gonna remove the power cord from this housing here, and that just popped right out. And now we're gonna take a flathead and a rag And we're gonna separate the housing from, I guess, the base. Just gonna pry that. Okay. So now we can just lift this up now. And, oh, that could come off. So we got this. That looks okay. So I don't know if you can see it, but this, all those teeth on right here are gone. So I'm gonna take all this grease out, and I'm actually gonna save it so I can apply it back in after. But over here I could feel all these plastic broken pieces from this gear. So it looks like this is the gear that needs to be replaced. And it's a Phillips star screwdriver. It's 3 screws here with a lock washer. So remove those. You can see this is like plastic, but those gears are stripped out. So this is what we need to replace. Let me get a new, these ones look good. Everything else looks good. So we gotta replace this. So here's a better look of it. And these teeth are good, but these aren't. So we're just gonna replace that. Okay, so now I cleaned it up a little bit. You can see, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a pin here that goes across to the other side. You gotta hit that out to get the pin out. So just get a rag here. Let's get a little punch or a really thin screwdriver, and I'm just gonna attempt to hammer this out. Okay, so I got the pin out. Just gonna put that there. And now this should be able to separate right there also. And that separates from there. And it has 2 washers. We could save those. And now we got the gear that needs to be replaced. So we can order this off Amazon, and let's do that and get a new gear in here. So we got this one on Amazon, worm gear replacement for KitchenAid mixer, $13.99. We're gonna go ahead and order that and get it installed. Okay, so I just received this from Amazon. Actually came with 2 of them. So you got an extra one, and you can see that right there, a brand new one, and the broken one. So process now is to replace everything in the reverse order. So you got to remember that we do have these washers here, the plastic washers. One on each side. Just line that up. Get that pin back in there. And you're gonna want to make sure that that piece that's sticking out is on the side of this. Get that pin back in, and we're gonna reassemble it the reverse of how we disassembled it, and we're gonna put the grease back in and get this thing going again. So basically the same steps but in reverse. So now we got it all put back together, and you can see it's working just like it should. Just like brand new again. So yeah, don't throw away that mixer because you probably just need to replace this gear.